caught this storm just coming in. I was about to, about to do some working out, and well, I caught this. So here we are. Whoa! Okay, I'm catching lightning bolts at like the corner of my eye, and I can't catch them immediately, so I apologize. I don't know if the video camera can pick it up, but where it's pointing to, it's red. I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. Okay, I'm walking closer. If I get struck by lightning, I get struck by lightning. It's a red cloud, that's weird. Whoa, I'm running. I'm getting closer to this. Okay, so this is a heat lightning storm, I'm guessing. I can see quite a bit of rain. So hopefully we can catch some really good shots now. Oh my god, that struck right there. Holy shit. That was my second close encounter with lightning. That was a first. This is awesome, guys. I'm really happy. I'm caved out here. If I die, I'm so sad. Like, if I die, I'm gonna miss you all. And yeah. Oh my god. Holy shit. That's why I'm standing close to this thing. Yo, I see a tornado. I don't know if the camera can catch it up, but if you look right there, that's where I see it. That's where I see a tornado or something. I don't know. Holy shit. Ah, this is scary. I'm freaking out. My heart is pounding so much right now. I can't stop talking. Okay, I guess lightning's still coming up from behind us. Here's the rain. I'm gonna get caught in the rain. That's great. That's alright. I've been sweating in this shirt for... Look at this. There's a party going on down there. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that, eh? I just turned my camera. Holy shit. Woohoo! Woo! Maybe I really shouldn't be out here in this kind of thunderstorm. If this is where shit is striking. Oh my god.